morning, all of you, all the respected dignitaries on the stage, all the teachers and the staff, and all my young friends. എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. ഞാൻ സ്വാതി രാഠോഡ്. എൻ്റെ വീട് മഹാരാഷ്ട്ര ആണ് ആൻഡ് ഞാൻ തൃശ്ശൂർ ജില്ലയിൽ അസിസ്റ്റന്റ് കളക്ടർ ആണ്. So first of all, I'll congratulate all of you and proud to be part of this such young bright minds. And it's I congratulate that whatever hard work and efforts you have taken, and you have proved that you can achieve whatever you dream, you can go in that path. So congratulations for that. So whatever you from this end and then there is this new stage of life begins, and whatever path you choose, be consistent like this. Now whatever you have done, whatever efforts you have taken for this, you be consistent. This is not the like one achieved goal. The goal starts from here, begins with this. So you need to be consistent like this in what whole of the whole of the life ahead of you. So you be confident, because confidence is that will be nobody will be putting or trusting on you. You have to prove that sometimes to your parents also. You have to show them that you can achieve this or whatever dreams you have. Whenever you go from some non-traditional way, you have to be such a confident that you can change their views also, and you can achieve or set for some higher goals. So that confident you need to be, and you need to be so positive in this field. Whatever you are going to choose based on your interest. It is fine. Whatever, if you have any